Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. First of all, before we start, I would like to express my thanks to Pacifica for sponsoring this particular video. And they will be giving some very special present, to Appa's follower, whoever buy their equipments. I will actually explain the detail to you throughout the video, so make sure you view the whole video. So now today Appa is going to make use of their steamer, which is also called the Forge. It's a very advanced steamer. You have probably seen it Appa using before. It has come with actually two kinds of equipment. The cooker equipment here. One is a round one. Another one is actually, this is what they call a fish pot. So, but today I'm not going to use the fish pot to steam fish, or rather, Appa is going to use the fish pot to steam chicken. Okay, so be creative. Now, so what do we have here? Today, Appa is going to make a very simple dish for your Chinese New Year actually. I have half a free-range chicken here. You can see how muscular the chicken leg is. Very muscular chicken. This chicken is, half of the chicken is at least 1 kg here. I'm going to make a steamed chicken dish, garnish and on top with onion seasoning. So what will make out with the onion seasoning? We have shallot, which is the little red onions. This is the white portion. This is the white portion of the green onion. This is the green portion of the green onion. So using these two items, I am going to make a paste. Actually, is using oil to saute them to really get the what we call onion oil, very aromatic onion oil, and pour on top of the chicken later. Then we have some this for is cauliflower or broccoli. Appa always confused between the two. Anyway, this is actually for garnishing, more for garnishing. This is going to be what you do is just to cut it into small pieces and then blanch it using some hot water, boiling water for about a minute. And in the water, you can put a little bit of salt and oil. Then it will become even more greenier. And a little bit of carrot for garnishing as well. Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video. First thing first, we are going to steam the chicken, and notice the pot here, it has already raised. It has already raised the ingredient here. So what you need to do just to put your chicken inside. I did marinate the chicken with a little bit of salt. Put it like this. See whether I can close or not. Oh, no problem. So bring this to the forge, the steamer. Alright, so you are now looking at the Pacifica's two very interesting equipment here. This is the steamer, the forge, and this is the vortex, the blender. So now we are going to use this. Now this is the first pot that it was coming together. This is very good to making soup. And then I'm going to put in my chicken. And this is supposed to be the fish pot. So right now, I just need to on the electricity. So I just on the power, and I'm going to choose the steam chicken function. For this chicken is quite thick. I will steam it for at least close to 30 minutes. Actually, you can minus 3 minutes from here, because how it works is it will take about the first 21 seconds to build out the steam, and the final 2 minutes for it to rest. So total cooking time is somewhere around 27 or 26 minutes only. So I'm going to press the start.
Short of water. Please fill up the water tank to maximum.
Whoops, there's shorter water. It's telling me shorter water. So there is a water tank behind. What I can do is just to take out this and add some filtered water to it. You need to use filtered water on this particular machine, yeah? So get some filtered water, add it to the water tank behind.
Start cooking.
Yeah, see? Then it will automatically start cooking. Of course, you want to close the cover. And you just let it perform by itself. You can actually start seeing the steam is actually building up inside the fish pot. Okay, so the good thing about this is you don't have to jaga the water. It will control everything by itself. While waiting, see if we have got some time, I'm going to make myself some coffee with this. So I have some coffee bean with me, right? And just put it in. You don't have to add any water because at the back there is also a water tank. So what we need here is to choose coffee and press start. What it will do is it will actually blend the coffee bean, brew the coffee, meaning cook the coffee also, and the best is it will actually wash it will wash the machine by itself after the coffee is done. Everything actually it will only takes about 6 minutes to brew the coffee, very fast. My wife is using it every day. To be honest, I don't use that so often. My wife is using it every day to make coffee. See, it's now started to blend. So 6 minutes to do the coffee, and then it will take another 5-10 minutes to self-clean. It will actually self-clean by itself. So this is when you buy any new equipment at home, make sure you will actually make your life easier, not just to look good, but really make your life easier. While waiting for the chicken and also my coffee, let's make the onion oil. As the name suggests, you're going to need a good amount of vegetable oil here. And we are going to start with sauteing the shallot. This onion oil is going to be super fragrant, I'm telling you. Let me on my cooking hood. Okay, don't use too high heat. You're going to use medium to medium-low fire to slowly saute this to probably about 30%, getting a bit brownish. Then only we will continue to add in the spring onion. We will come back shortly after this. Okay, this is after about 2-3 minutes sauteing using low medium heat. Okay, don't use too high heat. I have started to see a little bit of brownish, just a little bit is enough. We're going to put in the white portion of the green onion. Oh, super fragrant. 2 types of onion coming together. Imagine how fragrant is this onion oil is going to be. Boss, I wish you can smell this. You can use this to make wonton mee already. Oh, my coffee is ready. It's faster than my onion oil. Okay, continue to saute this for another minute or two, then we will come back shortly. This is after about another 2 minutes. We can now tune down to even lower fire. And we are going to season it a little bit. I'm going to give it a little bit of oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. Let me off the fire first. And 1 round of light soy sauce. A little bit of salt. Some sugar. Some Shaoxing wine. Give it a few stir. Now you can on the heat again. Also a medium-low heat. Wow. Ooh, this onion oil is going to taste so good. And I'm going to put half of the green onion inside. The other half for garnishing. I'm going to off the fire right now. Our onion oil is basically done. This is the flavored onion oil. Done. Let me go and get my coffee. Alright, I've just taken out the coffee. You can see it has a filter here. So these are the beans, the blended beans. And my coffee here. Very fragrant. Cheers. Okay, we have another 13 minutes steaming the chicken right now. Just let me very quickly explain to you how you can get the free gift from Pacifica. Now, if you buy the Forge or the Vortex or both in a bundle, which they actually sell in a bundle in a cheaper way, from the Pacifica website, then you can, if you key in the special code PACIFSCAP, PACIFSCAP, I repeat, PACIFSCAP. If you key in this special code, you can actually redeem. When you buy these 2 items from them, you can actually redeem 1 free SAFICO brand non-stick frying pan, 24 centimeter, worth 229 ringgit. Wow. Alright. The duration of this particular offer starts from 25th of January until 28th of February this year. So you have 1 month time. If you want to purchase from Lazada, then you need to remark APA at the order site before placing the order, so they will know you are actually coming from my fans, and then they will actually give you the SAFICO non-stick frying pan, which is worth 200 over plus. Okay, I will put this information in the description box. So if you forgotten what I said, or you don't know what I said, just check back the description box of this particular video. Special thanks to Pacifica for APA's fans. Alright, 30 minutes later, this is what we get. Oh, super fragrant. Oh, super fragrant. Okay, for steaming, you can also put a few pieces of ginger. I forgot. Alright, now and then you are getting some chicken stock down here. I am going to mix the chicken stock together with my onion oil later, yeah? And now I'm going to have to cut it first. By the way, this chicken stock, remember just now I did not add any water at all. So this chicken stock is actually coming from the steam from the steamer together from the chicken. So you can imagine how good this chicken stock is going to taste like. That is the beauty of this particular steamer, where other kind of equipment can't really achieve this. I never put any water. Alright, you actually have few ways on how you want to serve this particular dish. You can mix the chicken stock together with the onion oil and pour it over the chicken. If you scared it will be too oily, then you can actually serve like this. Put the onion oil at the side, and then we can actually pour the chicken stock over like this. Alright, I don't mind putting a little bit of stock inside there. You can also serve this way, and we garnish it with a little bit of spring onion. Okay, it's basically done. So if you want to know more about the machines that I used just now, by the way, the Vortex, the blender, is not only blending coffee. You can blend all kinds of bean, including soya bean. You can make soya bean milk within 15 minutes. Alright, so I will put all the information and description inside the description box. You can go and check it out if you are interested. So I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.